Hello friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Talks on Homeopathy. Let us learn and understand homeopathy together. Today I am going to discuss a very unique approach to learn Materia Medica, and this approach is by listening the symptoms of Materia Medica. Yes, this is true. Now with the help of some softwares you can listen the symptoms of Materia Medica whenever you are doing your other task, when you are doing your day-to-day activities, when you are traveling, when you cannot read but you can learn Materia Medica by listening the symptoms. So the Android software named as a Homeo Assist is going to give you this unique feature where you can listen and understand the Materia Medica. With the help of the same software, you can also repertorize a case from repertories, and you can also do some basic work with the help of repertory. So let us start the video. In Homeo Assistant, you will see 6 main parts of this software. The first is repertories, clinical information, Materia Medica part, philosophical part, therapeutics, and reverse repertory. When you click on Materia Medica portion, you will see there are total 7 different Materia Medicas are given in this software. The first is Keynotes and Characteristic with Comparison by Dr. H.C. Allen, then Borix Materia Medica, then Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica by Dr. J.H. Clark, Homeopathic Materia Medica by Dr. J.T. Kent, Materia Medica by Dr. Boger, and Regional Readers by Dr. Nash, and Materia Medica Pura by Dr. Master Hahnemann. If you want to read from Borix Materia Medica, we are just going to click on that book, and there is a list of medicine is given. You can directly search any Materia Medica from search bar. I am writing Pulsatilla, so Pulsatilla is there. So here is the book Pulsatilla. The whole symptomatology given with the different headings also. If I want to see the symptoms of stomach, I am just going to select the stomach, and the whole symptomatology is here. Now let us listen the medicine.
Asterisk the weathercock among remedies. The disposition and mental state are the chief guiding symptoms to the selection of Pulsatilla. It is preeminently a female remedy, especially for mild, gentle, yielding disposition. Sad, crying readily, weeps when talking, changeable, contradictory. Mucus
So this is how we can listen to Materia Medica from given books. There are also different sections are given in this software. The clinical information contains the book by Dr. J.C. Burnett. The philosophical part contains the books by Lectures on Philosophy of Dr. J.T. Kent, Homeopathy Explained by Dr. J.H. Clark, and Organon of Medicine by Master Hahnemann. You can also listen any aphorism.
Now, as in a disease, from which no manifest exciting or maintaining causa occasionalis, has to be removed. 1. We can perceive nothing but the morbid symptoms, it must regard being had to the possibility of
Okay, so this is how you can listen the different material and literature given in this software. There is also another therapeutic part which has the two main books available in this software: The Prescriber by Dr. J.H. Clark and The Homeopathic Domestic Physician by Dr. Harry. You can also listen this material also.
In fat scrofulous children, calc. C. 6, 6H. Intercurrently, Basal 30, once a week. In thin, rickety.
Now we will see the repertory portion of this software. So this software is containing 4 different repertories. First is biochemic repertory, the second is Boning-Hussein's repertory, Borik's repertory and canned repertory. So let us learn how we are going to use this software for a repertorization purpose. First you are going to select a repertory. The chapters given in alphabetical format, so it is very easy to find out any particular software. Let us select the chapter head, and then there is a list of all rubrics are given. You can search any rubric by entering your search query in this search box. If I want to select hydrocephalus, so here is the rubric, hydrocephalus is there. I am just going to select this repertory and it is there written over here that you can see selected 4 rubrics. Okay, now let us go back, and then we are going to select some more rubric from nose, as I want to search coryza. So it is all rubrics are given which is containing the word coryza. So if you can see over here, it is also written the total number of rubrics which are containing your search query, and here you will have a selected rubrics which are 4 in numbers. So let us select this coryza in newborn. So it is selected. As you can also see, the selected digits has been changed from 4 to 5. Now here, if you completed your selection, you are going to see your repertorization result. So you are going to select analyze. This is a preview of symptom. If you want to remove anything, you can remove, or if you add any other symptom, you can also add. Then again we are going to select the confirm, and here we will have a whole repertorization list. Okay, so this is the name of medicine in alphabetical order. This is the frequency and marks covered by a medicine. So you can see this. Now if you want to compare remedies, you can also compare by clicking on this option. You have to select first remedy, then I am going to select Apis and Belladonna and Argenta, and I am going to compare the medicine. So here is the full comparison of Apis and Belladonna on the repertorial totality. You will have a complete list of rubrics covered by this particular medicine. You can also see the section or a chapter of a repertory. So if I want to compare a chapter of ears of Apis and Belladonna, so it is there. So it is a wonderful approach where you are comparing not symptom, but you are comparing a particular rubrics from different chapters of a particular repertoire. So when you finished your repertorization and you had selected your medicine and you are going to prescribe a medicine, so this will save your case in a particular order. I have already added the details of a case. This is a serial number which is generated by system itself. You are going to add name, age, address, gender, marital status, occupation, phone, email address. Symptoms are auto selected when you are going to select in repertorization, and here you have a prescription details. So you are going to save. Okay, so in this way you are going to use this software in your clinic, in your learning, in your day-to-day life, and thus you are going to learn Materia Medica and you are going to learn how to repertorize with the use of software.